Alright, so here's the replacement screen right here. I've taken off the 3 screws that hold the motherboard in. As you can see, I am going to, if you look right there, there's a ribbon cable connector. Going to put the ribbon cable connector in, put the new LCD on, and turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so the new screen is on, it's connected. Now I'm just going to screw in the screws into the motherboard. Alright, and there you go. You see that it's on. It's going up and down. Doesn't have any music on here because I didn't load anything. Well, there you go.